Hey, what is up YouTube? So behind me is my 2020 Toyota Supra and I have, check those out, some gram lights behind me. I just got these in from Blacklist Motorsports. I'll put a link to where you can contact them if you want to get wheels. They offer work, all kinds of stuff, body kits, top-notch company, ask for Joe. That's how I got these wheels when I found the company on Instagram. So from shipping from California to Virginia, super fast. I believe it took about 4 days. Yeah, everything looks great. Let's unbox these gram lights. I don't know how many sets of these are here in the States, but I think they'll look really great in the Supra. So, I want to hear your opinions below in the comments on what you think, but I've never owned gram lights, anything from Rays Engineering before. I've had Boston VFS ones on my Infiniti G37S. I'll put a picture up right here. So I'm curious to see what these wheels look like as far as the packaging and things of that nature. Anyways, stay tuned and let's check it out. All right, y'all, so let's check it out here. So the model of these gram lights is right there. It's the 57FXZ. So these are 19x9s. This would be the front wheel. And I've already opened this one up, but let's just go over the box before I do an unboxing with you guys. But there you go, Japan Power. And these are the back wheels. They are 19x10 for the back. But yeah, overall, I really like this packaging. It looks really good. The only thing I don't like is how much advertisement there is on there. So if you guys see, I only have two right here. The other two got jacked by FedEx. So thankfully it was found and it's on its way. So let's open the bottom. First time opening with you guys and let's see what they look like. All right, y'all, got my field knife here. So let's gently cut this open. And yes, I should be cutting away from you, but I don't really care. So you don't have to cut that far into it. All right, let's check it out. Bam. All right, it's very nice packaging. So you have some stuff here from Rays Engineering. So that warranty part is in English, and you have some more information on here. Other than that, let's set that aside. So let's take a look at these. Very nicely wrapped. All right, there you go. So now this layer right here got a little plastic to cover everything. So, bam. So the camera can come in right here. So you have these gram lights right here and to the edge of the wheel. If you come in here, you got Rays Engineering, Rays rather, made in Japan right here. You got a Rays center cap, and the color of this is RBC. So I don't know what that means. I think it's a black chrome. So let's get some inside shots, some outside shots, see what it looks like in the sun, direct sun, in the shade. And yeah, let me pull these out. All right, y'all, hopefully I don't pick up any wind noise, but here's how these wheels look out in the sun. Very nice finish, definitely something different. So let's go in the garage and see what they look like in the shade. All right, y'all, so we're now back in the garage, and honestly, my opinion is that the finish in the shade is a lot more reflective compared to the finish out in the sun. It appears when you're out in the sun, the finish appears to be darker, but however, I think it's pretty cool. It kind of reminds me of Terminator, whatever it was, T2000, Mercury, whatever, when it melted. So yeah. All right, y'all, so these are flow form. So basically you get the strength and whatnot of a forged wheel, but it's cheaper in manufacture. So if you don't know, the OEM wheels are forged on Supra, but however, I'm not tracking it. This is for looks, this is for driving around the street. But anyways, this is the front rim or wheel. Let's weigh it and see how much it weighs. All right. There you go, 24.6. All right, y'all, so here is the rear wheel. Once again, once I put these on and I have my stock wheels, I'll weigh those. So once again, the rear wheel, let's see how much these weigh. So 1, 2, 3. Let's go down here. 25.6 pounds. All right, y'all, so why did I order the wheels, right? So we already established that the wheels from the factory are forged. So these are 19-inch wheels and on 275 width tires. However, as you can see, my vehicle is sitting on Eibach lowering springs. So, which looks fine right here. It gets rid of some of that gap, but if we come from the side, look at this. Look how far in it is. So these new gram lights, they're gonna push this out to make this a flush fit here with the fender. So yeah, let's check that out. Definitely does not look good. And on top of that, being that the back wheel is wider, I can run as high as a 295 tire on there, which I will do once these OEM tires wear out.
My feelings for you, my feelings for you. I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote. This is the seed, light the show. Watch them grow. I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote. This is the seed, light the show. Watch them grow.
Alright, y'all, so thank you for checking out this channel. Once again, just recap some things. The OEM wheels are forged, these are flow formed. We went over the weight. I will weigh the OEM wheels once I mount these and I get my tires off the OEM wheels. Other than that, where I bought these from, I got these from Blacklist Motorsports LLC. I'll put a link to their Instagram, so contact Joe if you want to get these. They also have TE37s. You can custom order work wheels or body kits. So great company, great guy to work with. I just want to throw that plug in there. Other than that, I cannot wait to get these installed. Stay tuned for more adventures with my 2020 Supra. Other than that, you guys stay easy. Take care.